How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. How you doing today? Man, it's hot out here today. I'm out here sweating. My truck got AC, but I just, I like the old school feeling of just having the windows down. But it does have AC. I think on my way home I'm gonna run that sucker because it's hot out here. But I hope you guys are having a great day today. I am. But today's video it's gonna be about me rolling through my old hood, where I used to stay back in the days, and then I might do a video of telling you guys about a little bit about myself. So but let's get it and let's go. I'm gonna show y'all where I used to stay at back in the days. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, that used to be the old 7-Eleven store that we used to go to. That store right there is a brand new store. There used to be some apartments right behind it, but they tore them down. So right now I'm at the red light waiting for it to turn green. But yeah. Alright. Let's see. Hot out here today. Alright, guys. My uncle lived in those apartments right there. Actually, I had like 3 uncles stay in his apartments. They didn't change up since then, though. I was like, man, a long time ago. That's where it all went down at. A lot of shootings, a lot of fights. Go down up in here, boy. But these are the apartments that we used to stay in right here at this little corner. I ain't going down there. It's got a whole bunch of crap going on down there. But yeah, these are the apartments right here that we used to stay in. They was nice back in the days, man. They started going crazy out here. They got the gates open. But yeah. Where I used to live at, guys, back in the days. Right up in here. Got a whole bunch of things going on up in here, y'all. Drugs, prostitutions, everything. Mainly shootings, though. There was a lot of shootings out here. I don't want to go through there, y'all. I got these rims on. I ain't trying to get no nails in my tires. Look like they doing construction work. But my sister, she stayed in those apartments as well, Avalon Bay. She had to move out. It was getting a little crazy. But yeah, I ain't gonna go to the back, y'all. Go to the back. Yeah, y'all, this is what went down. These apartments are cheap. Now they cheap, though. So, but yeah, this is it. Hurry up, though. Got these gates open right here. Let's see. We can go through there real quick. It's hot out here today. Man, it's been hot. Hope you guys are staying inside, man. It's hot out here. Stay inside the house if you ain't gotta come out. Let this truck go by. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all where my uncle used to stay at. stay back there. My uncle used to stay right here in this apartment. Stay right here with that little bow on the door, whatever that is. Then I had another uncle that stayed over here in this corner, right here. He stayed there for a long time. But, you know, everybody moved on, you know. So, all right, how's it going, man? But, all right, guys, up here at Walmart trying to get some oil. Let's see which one we can get. 10W40. That's what I'm looking for. Like they don't have 10W40. Don't tell me I might have to go to the other Walmart. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm looking for 10W40 and they don't have it. So now I might have to go to another Walmart to get some oil. So let's see. How you doing? So guys, they don't have any oil, the one that I need. So I'm gonna have to get some oil from another Walmart because it's cheaper at Walmart than if you would go to AutoZone because they more expensive there. So I'll get back with y'all in a minute. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to go back to another. Man, look at that truck how it's sitting. What y'all think? Tell me if it look good. If it don't, oh well. So now, guys, we're gonna go to another Walmart. I'll probably do that later on because it's hot out here, man. That's what these people do. Tires, oil changes. Never take your car to the oil for an oil change at Walmart, man. They will not do it. They will screw you over. And last time I brought my car up here, man, it was like, I think it was my second car. Brought it up here, man. I paid for the oil change and everything. And man, I went home, checked my oil, and it was reading low and all of that. So I had to come back up here. You know, they had to add oil and all that crap. But I was young, so I didn't really know. But never take your car to Walmart, and they will screw your car up for real. But as of right now, guys, I'm about to head back to the house, and because it's really hot, and so I'm gonna see y'all when I get back home, and I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. All right, peace. All right, guys, I done made it home. Probably later on, I'm gonna go and get some oil from the other Walmart. Man, it's been a long day for me. It's very, very hot out here. I hope you guys stay cool. Stay inside your house if you ain't gotta leave. Man, it's hot. You can pass out. Make sure you drink plenty of water, man. Plenty of fluids. You know, let that fluid go through your body. And man, it's just hot. Like I'm sweating out here, y'all. Sweating. And then I heard that a lot of rain's supposed to be coming this weekend. So you know, you guys be careful. If you need to, leave, go ahead and take that chance of leaving. I seen a lot of things going on in New Orleans. I hope if you're watching this video, man, y'all stay safe. And I'm gonna keep my prayers up for y'all. So yeah, guys, if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe. I know I said that before in the other video. Make sure you guys subscribe, share the video, and I'll get back with y'all in a minute.